Good morning from San Antonio, Texas. We are perusing around right now. We're gonna go get some breakfast, walk the Riverwalk, go to the Alamo. Remember the Alamo!
Remember the Alamo.
We rolled into San Antonio tonight and we did not have a place to stay. We looked at Orbitz, there's nothing on the Riverwalk. Airbnb, nothing on the Riverwalk. And then I Googled hotel on the Riverwalk and there was one spot left on booking.com at Hotel 1914 and we're going there right now. The guy told us we got really lucky because 30 minutes before we booked it, someone had checked out of their room early and we were able to grab that spot. In fact, he said that dozens of people had come in trying to get a spot and he said no to all of them, but we got the spot. And the reason San Antonio is so booked right now is because it's spring break and also some concerts going on in town. Domingo restaurant. They made us wait the full 45 minutes before they gave us a table, even though half the tables outside are empty. I don't know why. A little bougie, but whatever. A couple other people just came in, they walked around and then they were really pissed off and they ended up leaving because they saw so many open spots and they're making them wait the 45 minutes. In fact, when we would check, they would say, oh, you're 14 minutes into your 45-minute wait. As if like you gotta pay your dues and wait for 45 minutes. All right, I didn't like the food where we was at, so instead I got me a milkshake from Revolucion. And now we are at a panaderia where we're trying to order a concha and lattes.
This is a concha. It's a traditional Mexican sweet bread. The layer is made of sugar and some kind of like flavoring. Our flavor is vanilla. And it's very fluffy, very yummy, not overly sugary. And honestly, this part is really good too. This is the most sugary part here. And we ordered 2 cappuccinos because, you know, you have to have pan dulce with some kind of hot drink. And we're still waiting. So I guess San Antonio is the city of waiting. We're just waiting for our brunch, waiting for our coffees. So the best way to enjoy your concha, you take a little piece, you dip it into your coffee, like this, and enjoy. I got a concha for free. So I was trying to avoid the big long line and I just go at the front where you can order more food. But they say that the conchas are completely sold out, like all of them, and they have like 10 flavors. I'm like, are all those conchas sold out? And she's like, no, let me go check. She's like, what did you want? I'm like, a chocolate concha. And then she packed it. She's like, oh, you could just take it. I won't charge you for it. I'm like, wow. So today's my day of manifestation. And she gave us the big concha. I wanted like the mini, small concha, but she gave us the big one. The joy you feel after eating a chocolate concha.
Oh, look, they even have police boats out here. That's nice.
So in the movie Selena, there's a famous scene where they're sitting there and like she's dreaming and it's a beautiful scene. So Selena was proposing there in real life.
I'm in the movie Selena, but Chris proposed to Selena in real life on that bridge.
Oh.